Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. Yes, I'm slacking off. I really know that I'm slacking off and I'm really sorry about the whole lot. I said this before, I'm tired, but I'm trying my best. And I know that I need equipment, but know that I'm working. I'm going to invest in some equipment and I'm going to invest in some lights so I can have nice background with nice green screen and effects and stuff like that to enhance my vlogs and make them more entertaining and interesting. But today I want to talk about a topic that is really itching me. It's just itching and it's just really getting under my skin. And this has to do with females that are pregnant and smoking. And most times I make video, these are things that I've seen and experienced, so I have to talk about it, especially when it affects me, especially when it's wrong. And I take offense to it because it really hurts me. Because I like to see people prosper, I like to see people happy, I like to see people, going out and enjoying themselves and being energetic and just full of life. And so, when I see women smoking, the women smoking overall is not a turn on for me. I don't like it. It is unattractive to me. But women smoking when they're pregnant, that is my issue. Think about that. Cigarette kill, and on the package of the cigarette they tell you that cigarette kill and you should be careful how much you smoke, whatever it is. I am not a smoker and I can't tell when last I look at a cigarette box. But I know cigarette is very dangerous. There's so many chemicals that make up this one, cigarette. And females and people in general, they smoke so many cigarettes throughout the day. They smoke one cigarette, light the next cigarette. That's how they smoke. One cigarette, light the next one box replace the next box. And this is a big issue in America, and I'm just not used to it, and I don't think I've reached a point where I want to get used to people just smoking. So I've observed females smoking and being pregnant, and I'm saying to myself, how can you do that? How can you smoke? You're killing the child. You should not be, smoking all those, chemicals into the body. The baby is going to get that chemical and then it mess up the baby brain. The baby can born premature. The baby can born with ADHD, with mental illness, all type of stuff that the doctors warn you about. The baby can develop all kind of diseases, and then you think about it and say to yourself, these women, they're smoking and the babies are getting sick. Then healthcare is so expensive. So many of them doing this. So many baby being unhealthy. So many mental illness. It put a burden on the healthcare system here in America. And then prices go up. So there's a cause and effect for this. And if females don't take it upon themselves to stop smoking and stop smoking when they're pregnant, then this epidemic will continue, and kids will be born handicapped and retarded. And it's not even their fault because they're innocent. They didn't ask to come into the world. We as adults bring them into the world, and it's we as adults that need to take care of them. And I'm passionate about kids. I love kids. So it makes me really sad and hurt to know that females can actually do this to their unborn child. And I don't see it as careless and reckless, and I don't appreciate or really care or respect females that do this. You have to understand that you're carrying a life and you need to protect that life at all costs. And smoking and trying to kill the baby is evil. It's just wicked. And look at me, my mommy never smoked when she had me, and I came out good. My nose big, face fat and stuff, but I came out good, and I really thank my mommy for that. And big up to all of the mothers them that actually carried their child and didn't smoke and drink and kill off the babies, and the babies them born healthy and happy and fat and plummy, and those the babies them just healthy and juicy. Those are the type of baby that I love. But I love all babies, but I'm just saying it's wrong. And I hope you guys understand why I'm just ranting about this. So, spread the word. If you see them doing that, if you can talk to them, or if your girlfriend or whoever smoking, let her know that it's dangerous. Let them know that they can't do it. If it's a situation where you can't talk to them or you don't want to get in trouble, just let it be. But if it's you that's pregnant, please do not smoke. Please protect that life, protect that baby. They're precious. They're very precious. They are the future. We have to protect the future generation. So I'm going to end it right there. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. I'm going to get my hair cut right now. Thanks to all the new subscribers. I love you all. No homo. Don't know on a general. But, you know, just big up on yourself, people. I'm out.